Hi guys, welcome to my channel. First I want to say happy new year to all of you. Thank you so much for everything, for watching me, for supporting me, for all your love and support all year long. I couldn't ask for a better art family. I love you all to pieces. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a year full of love and health and happiness and all that good stuff that you all deserve. So I'm very excited today because we have a very special guest to help us end the new year, or end the old year and start the new year. Michael from Michael's Making Art. He's a dear friend, an amazing artist, just an incredible person, and I'm always so excited to have him on the Express with us. He's family, and I couldn't think of a better person to end the year with to have as our special guest. So I love you, Michael. Thank you for joining us, and just, you're incredible. So, all right, so after Michael, you have Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. After him, you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, you have Sister Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman, and maybe my lovely sis Cat. They are all amazing people. Just, if you haven't subscribed to them, please go back and subscribe and show them some love, because they are so deserving, and I couldn't love any of them more. They are just the best art family in the whole wide world, along with all of our followers and our subscribers and our art family. Thank you so much. All right, so I am going to do this split cup this time. I'm gonna do another split cup cloud pour because I don't know, I'm addicted right now, so that's my thing. I usually use the 5-chamber. This is a 3-chamber. It's a little dirty, but I tried to clean it the best I could. We're gonna use that. I've got 6 colors out, so I'm gonna put 2, 2, and 2. I have purples, blues, and greens. I have a cloud pour mix mixed up. I'll have my cloud pour mix in the description. And I think I'm just gonna play some music and let you guys watch.
At the door, you drive me crazy. I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone. I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you. Although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still. You're my medicine. Yeah, I need you. You light day. Sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know all of my problems. I know. Where did it go? The feeling of thirst, desire to be a rock in my heels. I'm numb as a poison, flows in my veins. Guess I got used to avoiding the pain. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a
Let me wipe my hands off. And I'll bring you guys down for a close-up. All right, guys, here she is. I think she turned out super cool. I love doing these. They're just so much fun. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. You know I love you all and appreciate everything and everybody who has done that already. I really think it turned out super cool. All right, guys, so up next is Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, you have Sister Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after her, you have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely sis Cat. If you missed our very, very special guest, Michael, from Michael's Making Art, please go back and watch. He's amazing, super cool. He has some excellent videos, and you just really need to go back and watch. And if you missed Sweet Wombat, of course, you know I love him to pieces. My BFF, he's amazing. Everybody on this Express is just the best, and I wish you all a very happy new year, and I love you all to pieces. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.